Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of August 15, 2021. As you know that the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones continue to push higher regardless of uncertainty surrounding the pandemic, inflation fears and geopolitical tension. Since returned to buy signal at the $219 on March 23, 2020, the SPY has given a total of 8 consecutive buy signals despite experiencing several pullbacks along the way, but none of them were ever strong enough to move the chart to the sell signal, and the S&P 500 continued to recover to gain more than 100% and close at $445 on Friday. So I will go through the key sectors so that you can see and plan the trade for the week. In terms of sector, the material sector has outperformed the other sector since March 2020 with the, let me show you here, so the XLB, they gained it more than 130% in the uptrend there. And if you look at the financial sector, it's also very strong. They make it all-time high until Friday. They pull back a little bit. So since pandemic, they have go up almost 127%. The energy sector is also strong. They shoot it up at about 124%, but since they hit to the top there, they pull back down. Another sector is still strong, that the XLK, which is the XLK, which is the technology stock. It's very strong and continue to put it strong. So since pandemic, the technology sector have pushed up almost 122%. The industrial sector is also very strong. They earn 118%. XLY, which is another consumer discretionary, it also 107%. The XLC, also communication service, they're also strong again, about 104%. The real estate sector is also strong. Despite of the pandemic, the people, they stay home, work at home, the house still continue to rumble to the upside. Okay, in terms of the stock, if you invest in Apple, right, the stock is already gained 104% since pandemic. Microsoft also is very strong too. They are earning about 168% since pandemic. Google, that's another 160%. And the best return are the Nvidia, as you can see here. Nvidia is in pandemic, and then they shoot it straight up here. Now they up to Friday last week, then Nvidia have gone up 275%, and PayPal it also earned 222% after they hit the all-time high. They pull back down, and Nike, that's another strong one in retail sector. This one it gained about 175% since pandemic, and Bank of America also gaining about 140%. So if you invest in the right stock in the right moment after pandemic, right now you could hold up a big back there, right? So that's why a lot of people, they don't know trading is a risky business, and it's not a get rich quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know technical analysis and understand the market psychology, then you should not trade at all. That's why as Stock Navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a logical technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with pattern recognition and money management so that you can trade with high probability of winning. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every day on our live Q&A until you are successful, and we will guide you in our live 24-hour Discord community so that you can get support and follow along. That is the only way that you can manage your own financial future. Now, let's get deep inside the sector so that we can look for the stock to take for the next week. So before I get into that, let me take a look on the indexes to see what they are doing. So the SP 500 is still strong, as you can see here. They continue to put it to the upside. Like I show you the SPY chart here, they will continue to put it up there. The Nasdaq, it also make an all-time high, and after they pull back down a little bit on the 10-year Treasury note, they shoot it up, but on Friday they continue to put it up again. The Dow, it also make an all-time high on Friday, and the Russell 2000, which is more skeptical, they are still have trouble to move higher. As you can see here, they are in the sideways choppy between the top and the bottom here. So they need to build up some momentum and get back up in order to go higher. Otherwise, they are still choppy sideways correction here. If you look at the crude oil, after they hit to the sell zone, they come back, retest, they fail, they put it back down, they have a buy zone, so they are still sideways, choppy in the bearish mode right now. If you look at gold, after they fall up last week and they be able to hold back up, they stuck here, they break out and continue to push it up, okay, to the next level of resistance around here. And if you look at the volatility index, right now it's still in the low bound, so the market is still stay calm even though we have a rising number of Delta variant, but the market is still hold up very tight, okay, and the VIX is still very calm, so it's still good for the market until they wake up again. 10-year Treasury note is still like I told you last week, they try to put it back up right into the resistance and then it slam it down again. So that helped the technology stock to move higher. And if you look at the Bitcoin is still, they hit to the first level of resistance, they pull back up a day, and the momentum will push it back up, so they will run up to the next level there. Ethereum is also strong, they pull back only one day and then they turn around, and it means that the people still hold up the Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. This week I will take a look on the sector and the index, which one they are trying to find a way to turn around. So we pay attention for this one. So the one I'm going to talk about, which is the Dow Transportation. As you know that the Dow Transportation have been choppy here, but now they're able to get out and continue to put it upside, and you can see that and the ETF on the IYT, they try to put it back up. If they can clear this resistance here, there's a lot of stuff they can move higher. So as long as the Dow Transportation is still moving up, the market is still continue to push it higher, because they show it the healthy of the economy. They need more traffic to carry the product, the good around the globe. And if the couple of stocks in this sector that we should pay attention. The first one is I want to show you is ODFL. So this stock has been sideways here for a while, since May until now. They'll be able to break out and continue to go up. The Union Pacific is also try to put it up to the upside there. They will have some resistance here, but the overall trend is still bullish. Next one is the rider system, that's the trucking system. They are still moving upward right now. CMRT, that's the another car mark, it's a high demand. This stock has been coming down. Now we're able to continue to put it up to the upside. The financial sector, as I already showed you last week, it's pretty strong after the passing the infrastructure plan. So the financial sector, it will put it up until Friday, and people took some profit. They are going to have been run up for the whole week there. so they need to pull back a little bit before they can run higher. But a lot of stock in this sector still doing strong, like Discovery Financial, still very strong move to the upside. JP Morgan, right, still doing well there. Let me see here, JPM. Okay, so the people they run up. People took some profit on last week. Also at the where also they pull up. And they punt to the resistance. They pull back to the support. If they can turn around, they will find a way to move higher. In terms of healthcare sector, it's still a strong high demand due to the more virus cases increasing in the United States. So a lot of stock in this sector is still doing well. Okay, like Johnson Johnson. Okay, it's still back out, continue to put it up high. Pfizer, FE, okay, it's still strong there. And a Moderna, they pull back down after they hit its all-time high, so they come back and choppy around here. But MRK, it also is trying to find a way to put it back up. Another sector that I want to show you that the consumer stable, they gained some momentum last week, and then they continue to punt to this level and continue to go higher. So a couple of stocks in this sector I want to show you is like Coca-Cola. Okay, they go up, they pull back, now they find a way to put it up to the upside. Philip Morris is still very strong here, and TPR, okay, that's another one. Let's try to find a way to put it up there. Another sector is very strong that we should pay attention due to the increasing of inflation and this and that. To the defense sector, it's like utility. It's also very strong. I show you guys since the last many weeks, and then they continue to rumble to the upside. And a couple of stocks in this sector that you can see that they're doing very well. It's like UGI, it continues to rumble to the upside. Okay, and Hawaii Electric Company, they are doing also very well there. And NEE, that's another energy company, they also doing extremely well. Besides these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 5, 6, 7 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. Take care, everyone.